Hey guys, good morning. I'm reaching out to you because I was just looking at your visual merchandising examples that you uploaded, and probably about 95% of them are not right. So if you've already uploaded that, which the due date is not until midnight tomorrow night, but if you've already uploaded it and you got a 0 and you're wondering what happened, this is what happened. So everybody that got a 0 on it, which again was about 95% of you, you all talked about a logo that you liked and what was really cool about the logo. So logo design is something that we do focus on in this class and we will talk about, but it's not the objective of this lesson. So the objective of this lesson is about visual merchandising. So if you take a look for me right now, what we're looking at is your chapter 18 outline, and you can see that the definition for visual merchandising is not just going to be the logo. So you're looking at Rainforest Cafe right now, and you can see that I showed you what the Rainforest Cafe logo looks like, but really that definition of visual merchandising is going to be everything that you're looking at. So a lot of you said Nike and Under Armour. If, excuse me, if you would have mentioned what a Nike store looks like or what an Under Armour store looks like, then that would have been on the right track. But just talking about the clean lines and the basic black and white color of a Nike logo is definitely not what we're looking for in this situation. So you can see right here we've got this definition, and then let's go ahead and take a look at a couple other examples. So again, this is right from your chapter 18 outline. So this is going to be the inside of Wawa, and a lot of you talked about Wawa, but a lot of you only talked about the logo of Wawa. So we want you to think about, what does the outside of the store look like? What does the inside of the store look like? Can you talk about the color, the space, the graphics, the paint, any of those different things that they use, and then also any of the interior displays. So what we're looking at right here for this Wawa is you can see that on that left-hand side, you've got that tower of bananas, which obviously is going to be like a point of purchase display, kind of a grab and go. We can also see over by the register that we've got all of these different things over by the register that are again going to be these grab and go items. And then in the middle, this sort of like kidney shape kind of thing, this is going to be known as an interior display, and that's also, as we all know, a help yourself display. So right now what we need to do is, if you've only told me which logo you like, we need to go back in and make a change on that. Now what's going to happen when you upload another copy of that, that's going to give me a little indicator on Schoology that you went in and made a change, and I'm totally happy to look at that again. I was a little bit surprised that we had about 90 to 95% of you not on the right track. But what I really think is happening, I think this week is a gigantic week of change for you. And I think what you really need to do is just make sure for all of your classes that you just try to slow down a little bit and read all of the directions, because in our directions we really didn't say anything about logos. So please make sure moving forward that you're just giving yourself a little bit more time so that you can read all of these different things. A lot of you put a lot of effort into what you were doing for this activity, and you gave me like 7 or 10 different logos. Well, that's a lot of effort. In fact, that's more effort than I really need from you. So moving forward, when you make your change, I'm only looking for you to show me just one company that you like. So before we go, let me show you real quick 3 companies that I really like, and a lot of them are in our local area. So I absolutely love the visual merchandising and the design of Zoes Gelato in downtown Westchester. I think they do just a really cool job of the exterior. The interior is really, really small, but they do the best they can. And this is my most favorite part on the right-hand side. And that's going to be how they took an entrance that could have been kind of dark and dingy, and they actually basically turned it into part of their store, which I think is really, really cool. Another example that I had for you was going to be a hotel. Kimpton Hotels is a really cool hotel brand. They don't build anything brand new. They come in and they actually buy historic buildings in different towns and cities, and they turn them into hotels. This example is in Philadelphia, and this location right down here used to be a bank, but they've turned it into this hotel, and it's right by Independence Mall and the Liberty Bell. And then the last one that I wanted to share with you is down by the University of Pennsylvania, and it's a sushi restaurant and it's called Pod, and it's just got like a really cool, clean, modern line. So this is more what we're looking for. We definitely don't want to focus just on the logo. So if you can make that change and then upload that, I'll be able to go in and fix your grade for it. If there's anything else that you have that I can help you with, please make sure you let me know. Have a great day. I hope I can see you soon.